how to buy Exodus AI token. So this token came under the symbol of EXO. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, so before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, they include also the Telegram, their Telegram channel too. Just go to their X account and engage with their community. Now, to be able to buy this token available on the screen, as you can see. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, this token and the liquidity here, it's locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here and make sure or remember that this token address came under the Solana network. Now, go and open your Phantom wallet. After that, click on swap. Now, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. After that, click here and paste the token address as you can see. And after that, click on this token. After that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to buy this token. As you can see, it's how much you receive on that token. After that, on the provider, select the provider for here. After that, make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, just go back to this page and click here to switch the slippage, because the slippage caused the most problems of buying process or custom it. After that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Exodus AI token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.